Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to download your Paystub on Payworks. So, if you have an account on Payworks, you should be actually a business or an employee in a business or a company. So to get the access to Payworks account, after that you need to go to login section from here and you need to enter your email and password or the username and password. Also, you can choose to log in with your email address instead, as see from here. And after that, to actually get the access to Paystub, you need to follow these steps. You need to first, as we already did, to log in, and then you need to access the pay statements. So once logged in, you need to click on this section which says pay statements or pay history. This section will display your available pay stubs. You need to click on it, and then you need to select on the pay stub that you want. After that, you need to click on view the details, and then you can just hit on download or save for the pay stub. If you can do that by yourself, you can just get an extension that can download you the PDF or the file for you instead, but it's supposed to have this button like the download or save button. After that, you can just check your downloads file and you will find your Paystub. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.